Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Nowadays, there are a lot of gaming accessories available for mobile, which makes your mobile gaming experience more comfortable. And in today's video, we will show you one of the best accessories we have found till now for playing PUBG Mobile. So let's find out how they works. Few months back we did a video about different PUBG Mobile triggers and some of them were good keeping in mind their price, but we noticed that there were occasional hit and miss with those triggers. But now we have found these triggers which I think is the best out there. So here is the box. These are from the company Flydigi and the name of the model is Stinger. You get a pair, one for the left side and one for the right side. You can also play with only one if you like. And here is how you attach it at the back of your phone. Now let's open the box and see the content. So the first we get this user guide which is in Chinese language. And here is the trigger itself. To be honest, these are one of the best triggers I have seen till now when it comes to quality and design. The price of these triggers are somewhere around 1200 to 1400 rupees for a pair. About the triggers, you attach it to your phone like this and you get a very comfortable grip while playing with these triggers. They are lightweight and doesn't add any weight to your phone. Installing the triggers are also quite easy and they're not like any other trigger which moves a lot while playing. These triggers use air cap technology which allows you to play PUBG Mobile or any other game where you can change aim and shoot controls hassle-free. There are no mechanical components and when you press this button, it acts as a touch on the phone. The Flydigi Stinger also comes with a charging cable and the production model offers 170 hours of gaming time. Now let's install the triggers to the phone and we'll show you how they exactly works. As mentioned earlier, installing them on your phone is quite simple and you can install them on your phone in couple of seconds and ready for action. The first thing you would need to do before you attach the trigger is to customize the controls a bit. You would need to move the shoot and aim button on the top left and right respectively. Design wise, these triggers are good and apart from the main functionality which is shooting and aiming, these triggers also help in increasing the grip on your phone while gaming. There are no lags at all and you can see the aim and shoot works without any issue and it's like playing the game with a controller. Now the best part about these triggers is this button here. This button allows you to switch between single and burst mode. You can use the burst mode even with the snipers and other guns like Mini 14 and SKS which doesn't have a burst mode in the game. Now let me show you some gameplay with these triggers. The first thing you will notice that how easy it is to play PUBG Mobile with these triggers. The movement becomes very easy and you have the index finger at the back of the trigger and you just have to use your thumbs for movement. And playing with the triggers also save you with those occasional accidental fire shot which happens while playing the game on your phone. And guys, do comment below if you have also faced the issue while playing the game and how you have customized your controls to prevent it. The auto mode is my favorite feature of these triggers and upon long pressing the button, it simulates a touchscreen auto fire of 8 times per second. Overall, we think that these triggers are one of the best we have found till now, which really works without any issue. There are no lags while playing with them and that is mainly due to the air cap technology. These triggers are compact, easy to carry and most importantly, the build quality is premium. And guys, I have tried different triggers in past and most of them are just lying around here and there. But these triggers are definitely the best and I usually prefer playing PUBG with them. The features like burst mode and the ergonomic design of these triggers makes them my favorite trigger till now. There is one thing which you might need to know is that you'll have to remove your phone's cover in order to use them. Apart from that, everything else about these triggers is perfect. And if you like them, do check the link in the description for more details on how to buy them. So that's it guys, these were the best PUBG Mobile triggers from Flydigi. Let us know if you like them and also tell us what do you think about accessories like this for mobile gaming in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off and I'll see you in the next one.